Greetings, students. This is Mr. Morgan, and today we're going to talk about mathematical relationships. The essential question that you want to answer in your notes is, how can we use mathematical relationships to predict how changing one variable will impact another? If you recall, a variable is a numeric value that describes a fundamental property of an object, such as time or length. With the goal in mind of being able to explain or predict the past and the future, we want to know how variables affect others. And if you can find a connection between two variables, this is known as a relationship. And generally speaking, we want to know if increasing one variable makes the other variable stay the same, increase, or decrease. And we'll talk about the specific names for these types of relationships. The first type of relationship is a non-relationship, and that just means when you change one variable, there's no impact on the other variable. And the example in this slide is the length of your hair has no relationship with the grade that you get on a physics test. So growing your hair longer won't give you a better grade, and if you're bald, you won't have a bad grade either. There's not a relationship between those two variables. Other variables can have what's called a linear relationship, which means that increasing one variable will increase the other, and decreasing the first variable will decrease the other variable. And the example we have in this slide is that the number of people has a linear relationship with the number of shoes. So if you have 4 times as many people, you should expect 4 times as many shoes. Another type of relationship is the inverse relationship, which means that increasing one variable will decrease the value of the other variable by the same percent. An example we have here is that the amount of dinner each dog gets has an inverse relationship with the number of dogs that are sharing a dinner. So one dog gets a whole dinner, where 2 dogs sharing that dinner would each get a half of a dinner. So now we're going to summarize. Make sure you revisit the essential question. It might be good to redefine what a variable is, and make sure you talk about each type of relationship that we covered in this slide. All right, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.